how to buy ClaimX token. So this token came under the symbol of CLMX. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check their account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available in the screener. It created just 1 hour ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, to be able to buy this token, it is simple. Click here to copy the token address. Now open in front of wallet. For that, I will just log into my wallet first to be able to buy this token. Now, after that, what you need to do, click on swap here. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address in the search bar, as you can see. So this is our token. Now click on it. So here you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, to select the provider, click on pricing, select the provider here. Now select the Jupiter, click on apply. Now go back and click here on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy CLMX token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.